Okay, so welcome to the video and the 15th of January. So it's actually been half of January already. So I'm wondering, how is it going with your New Year's resolutions? For me, I just came back from a walk here. I'm trying to stay with my routine of cardio 2 to 3 times a week, and also the gym. But also, as I mentioned, I think, actually last year as well, I wanted to improve my Chinese, and that's true for this year as well. So what I did actually today earlier is to record a small short clip in Chinese actually, and I'm gonna actually show it here. It's around 20 seconds. Probably sounds pretty awkward, and my Chinese definitely is not that great, but I'm just gonna throw it in here, let you watch, and then I'll be back. 你好，谢谢你来看我。你一定很聪明，因为你在漫漫人海中找到了我。我叫乐约翰，是瑞典人，跟我在一起体验好吃不胖的各种美食，好用不贵的瑞典商品，留言吧。Okay, so welcome back to the evening again. It's a bit darker now than earlier. So why did I show that to you guys? I think it's just kind of to illustrate, I think to get something you've never had, you need to do something you've never done before. So it's just a way for me. I mean, I opened this Xiao Hong Shu, which is a Chinese social media app with 0 followers. Just today, I don't know how many I got actually. Let me check. Yeah, so apparently I got 2 followers and 133 views on that video that was like 4 hours ago. But I think the point is just that, I think you need to push yourselves, or at least I need to push myself to grow. And that's what I'm planning to do this year with the number of different areas like fitness, travel, but also Chinese. It's hard to do everything, and you can't be the best at everything, but it's fun to try. So I'm just a bit curious to hear how are you planning to approach 2022? It's already been half of January, half of the first months. What are you planning to do the rest of the year? Write in the comment section how you're planning to do this year, and if you get inspired, which I hope it's the purpose of doing this video, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.